Assalamu alaikum grade 4. This is lecture number 6 of maths. Today we are going to start new chapter number 3, multiplication and division. First of all, multiplication without regrouping. As you already know what regrouping means, it means without carrying. So as you can see on your screen, the first example with 4-digit number. This multiplicand is 4-digit number and multiplier is 1 digit. Now write multiplicand over here at upper place. It's 1012. Multiply with 4. Write at ones place, then multiply 4 with 2 with at one place, it's 8. Then move further. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. Write 4 here. 4 zeros are 0. 4 multiplied by 0 is 0. Write product here. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. So write 4 here. See, there is no any number carrying at another number. There is another example. 2112 multiplying with 3. Start from very first place, which is ones place. Multiply 3 with 2, we will get 6. Write 6 at ones place. 3 multiplied by 1, it's 3. Write it at tens place. 3 multiplied by 1, it's 3. Write it at 100 place. 3 multiplied by 2, it's 6. Write it at 1000 place. Similarly, see next examples. It's 4121 multiply with 2, we will get the product 8242. And the last one is 1003 multiplying with 3. The product is 3009. Now multiplication with regrouping. It's mean there are numbers carrying over at other numbers. When we multiply 6 with 5, we will get 30. Write 0 here at ones place and 3 is carrying at 2. Write 3 over here. Now multiply by 6 with 2, it's 12. 12 plus 3, it's 15. Write 5 here and again 1 carrying over 3. Now multiply 6 with 3 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. Write 19 here. So the product of 325 and 6 is 1950. Now another example. The multiplicand is 1172. The multiplier is 4. Start multiplying from very first place, which is ones place. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Write 8 at one place. 4 multiplied by 7 is 28. Just write 8 here and 2 carrying over here at 1. Now multiply 4 with 1, it's 4. 4 plus 1, 4 multiply by 1, we will get 4, and when we add 2 in this number, we will get 6. Write 6 here at 100 place. Now multiply 4 with 1, we will get 4 again. So the product of 1172 with 4 is 4688. Now multiply 4 digit with 2 digit multiplier. How we can multiply it? It's very simple. The first step, see here, just write multiplicand and multiply here. Start from very first place. Multiply 2 with 0, it's 0. Multiply 2 with 5, it's 10. Write 0 here and 1 goes at 3. Now 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So write 7 at 100 place. Now 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Write 2 here. Now there is another digit 1. How can we multiply it now? We can also multiply it by writing separately this number, as I can write here. You just also write again this multiplicand with number 1. Multiply here separately if you have confusion. 1 0 is a 0, 1 5 is a 5, 1 3 is a 3, 1 1 is a 1. So you have 1350. You just write here, but first of all write factor 0, which is here. This is factor 0. Always write factor 0 when there is 2 digit multiplier. At second place we write 1 0, which is known as factor 0. After that we write this product here. Now add these numbers. As you can see in step number 3, 0 plus 0 is 0. Again 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 5 is 12. Write 2 here and 1 goes up here. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 1 as it is. So the product of 1350 with 12 is 16,200. Got it? Now there are some properties of multiplication, as you already learned about the properties of addition and subtraction. Same like that, there are also properties of multiplication. First property of multiplication is commutative property. What is commutative property? The product of two numbers remains the same even when the order of numbers changes. It's mean when you change order of numbers or factors, these are known as factors. When you change the order of factors, the product will be the same. As you can see, at first place there is 16 and at second place there is 15. When you multiply 16 with 15, you will get 240. Same like that, if you multiply this 15 here, 15 with 16, you also have the same answer. So it's mean there is no difference when we change the order of factors. This is known as commutative property. Number 2 is identity property. What is identity? The product of any number multiplied by 1 is number itself. It's mean whatever number it is, when you multiply it with 1, the product is the same as the original number. As 408 multiplied by 1, we will get 408. 133 multiplied with 1, we will get 133. Same original number. Third property is zero property. The product of any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Whatever number it is, when you multiply it with 0, you will get also 0. As in example, 8 multiplied by 0, you will get 0. 100 multiplied by 0, you also have 0. This is known as zero property. Number 4 is distributive property. What is distributive? A factor can be broken into the sum of two other factors. It means you distribute one number. For example, here at the left side of the equal, there is 5 multiplied with 12. When you split 12 into factors, or you distribute 12 into factors, which is 2 and 10. When you multiply 5 with 12, you will get 60, and the same way when you split 12 and multiply these factors 2 and 10 with 5 and then add these numbers, you will also get 60 here. So these products are same. This property is known as distributive property. Number 5 is associative property. When we group factors differently, the product will be the same. It means when you have 3 numbers to be multiplied, as you can see, there are 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2, 3 numbers which are required to multiplying. So what we can do, we just group them. We make group of 2 here, for first 2 factors in a group, and at the right side of the equal, we make different group with second and third number 4 and 2. When you solve these multiplication, you will see that the answer will same. It means when we group factors differently, the product be same. This is known as associative property. I hope you understand well, because these properties are also holds in addition. You already learned these property in addition. Revise them and then learn them. This is your homework. Do book page number 43 with question number 1 and 2, and page number 44, 45, and question number 3 of page 28 on notebook. Thank you.